Hello, creative families. My name is Juliana Flores. I am the owner, founder, creator, and every other role you can think of that requires running Pachis Art Studio. Pachis Art Studio was born about 11 years ago. It started in Kensington, then it moved to Liberty Station. Then it became a mobile art studio. Then it took a hiatus. And then it started all over from scratch with a whole new approach out of a private backyard in the Linda Vista neighborhood, which is between Fashion Valley Mall and USD, for those of you that don't know. Pachis Art Studio focuses on creative development, creative growth, and process art with the sole purpose of utilizing creativity and art as a tool to ease, connect, calm, grow, and explore as a human being. My purpose to doing all of this is to inspire you to live a more creative life. I consider my family to be a creative family because we incorporate art and creativity on a regular basis. Now, that doesn't mean that we're always drawing or we're always painting or that all four of us in the family are experienced artists. What I'm talking about is how incorporating different elements here and there in your home, in your living spaces, in your vacations, in your traveling, in your days off, in your off days, how incorporating creativity really helps you connect with your family. And at least from my experience, live a more calming life. It doesn't always apply, right? Because life has ups and downs. But I feel really comfortable saying that including creativity in your everyday life makes it a little bit easier. Now, Pachis Art Studio is a place where I offer programs for everyone in the family. That's one of the new things that was incorporated in the past year or so. Originally, it was only for children, and now I serve everyone in the family. So there are programs for children as young as 12 months old, as well as preschoolers, school-age children with the after-school program, and then finally the Create, Heal, Grow program, which is for 21 and over. There are a few things here and there that I also offer, like private groups and customized programs and things that are a per request basis. But I do have an ongoing schedule that you can visit at www.pachisartstudio.com and learn more about. You can also visit the other highlights for each one of the different programs. You're going to find a little video that tells you a little bit more about what to expect for each one of those programs. But I wanted to give you an update, tell you who I am, who is the face behind Pachis Art Studio, and welcome you to live a more creative life.